Meaning of Lord Reith.
Lord Reith.
Lord Reith.
Lord Reith.
Lord Reith. Lord Reith refers to John Reith, 1st Baron Reith, who was a famous Scottish broadcasting executive and public servant. He is widely known for his role as the first Director General of the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, from 1927 to 1938. During his tenure, he established many of the principles that still define the BBC today, including the concept of public service broadcasting. His name has become synonymous with the early years of the BBC, and his legacy is still celebrated by many in the broadcasting industry.